DJ just walked the red carpet and we asked him, whether he had an idea about how big a star you were here. But now that Vic and DJ have come here, what do they have been overwhelmed by the reception?
We went to Mexico last week, and they were so excited about Mexico, and all of us were excited about Mexico. And I had an amazing time. I'd never been there before. The fans were amazing. But I had a little thought in my head, and I was like, I know we can do better than this. And so I feel so happy that, and all of you have been so amazing. The fans have been amazing. I think we surpassed, it's not that they didn't expect it, they did expect it. But I think we surpassed even that. And just the way, I think everyone's put their best foot forward to welcome our guests. The warm welcome in India, in Mumbai when we landed. The girls, the roles were being played, and the girls gave us this traditional warm welcome. And I could see that they literally had a goosebump moment. And they've been on their phones the whole day because their families are calling them, and they're so excited that they saw them in Indian clothes. And so don't tell them I told you this, but
yeah. We also made them dance, not just to your tune, but even to Bollywood tune, to Lungi dance as well. So was that, how did you manage?
I think they were in shock. Ben was like, what is this piece of fabric? I was like, I think we're not explained to him what it was. Maybe tonight at dinner or something I'll explain to him what it is. But he's been so sporting and he's so much fun. And so I hope now that everything I used to say about him, I think it kind of adds up. I used to say that he's really warm and an amazing person, and I'm sure all of you can see that now.
आप पोस्ट कर रही हैं बिल्कुल मुंबई में किन जगहों पे और क्या-क्या चीजें उसको खिलाने के लिए आप तैयार हैं?
Well, unfortunately, it's not that type of trip this year. Yes, I'm hosting him, but I'm hosting him because he's come to our home. He is in India, and the same way all of us are hosting him. But this time it's not that type of visit where I can take him out. It's really, I think this time our focus is really our fans and the media, and just to share this experience with everyone because it's been such an incredible experience. I don't even think we have much time to do anything else other than just the premiere, and I think even tonight after this we just have a very small gathering and just a get together of I think the team, the very close team, just because a lot of them have worked on the film but never really met us. So just to sit down and have an intimate, quiet moment with everyone, and that's about it. And then I think tomorrow we have some interviews.
Deepika, belated happy birthday to you.
Your voice is also gone. Oh. Yes.
Belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
Do you think this is the perfect birthday gift for you in 2017?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the fact that my birthday, we started the promotion on my... Look at this amazing person. My most favorite person. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hi. Hi, nice to meet you. Bye. I'll come up and see Sorry, what was this? Yeah, so I think it was the most amazing birthday gift because the whole promotion started on my birthday, and I thought of it as something very special, especially when it's not planned like that, but when it just happens like that. So I woke up in the morning, and that's, I think I Instagrammed or I tweeted, I was like, it was my birthday, but it was also like the first day of the promotional tour. It just made my day even more special. And then all of them kept dropping surprises every now and then, cakes and flowers, and Vin sang for me. So yeah.
We met Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. We met Mr. Shah Rukh Khan yesterday. He said that.
Sorry, there's a lot of death
He has said
here.
best wishes for you, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, he's unwell. Shah Rukh's unwell. I hope he gets well soon, and I hope I can see him tonight or tomorrow before I head back.
He said best wishes
Thank you.
Thank you.